Hello guys, so the Layeredge CLI is now available for purchase. If you are not an OG, like if you didn't meet the OG badge, then you'll be purchasing for about $4. But if you meted the OG badge before now, then you'll be able to get it for a discounted price. So after purchasing the CLI for the new node, you are going to enter the public key to this Layeredge interface. And remember, for those that are using multiple accounts on this Layeredge, they've started the SIB check. So it's your luck if you get SIB. So if you, after purchasing the CLI, you click on this plus sign to enter. So we are going to verify the OG badge here. I'll drop this link in the description box of this video. So I'll click on Connect Wallet. And let's see if we have a OG badge. So what you need here is to get your base Ethereum. You have your base Ethereum in your connected wallet. So exclusive prices for pledge badge holders. Okay, I think I have the OG badge. I minted one of those NFT then. So I'll drop this link. If you don't have the OG badge, then you'll be purchasing for this price. I think they're almost the same thing. Up to 24 hours, 2x point, testnet phase 2. Okay, let me click on this proceed and see what we have. Host Layeredge testnet CLI for 0.025. Let's see. So I'll click on buy now. Remember I said you should be having base Ethereum. Okay, this is what I'm paying. It's still approximately $4. What's going on here? Let me try. Okay. So it's just simple actually. What you need to do is to just proceed and confirm. Remember they said this one that we minted, the previous one that we minted, they're gonna refund the purchase fee for us 100%. Is it before TG or after TG or what have you? So I don't know. We are just waiting for it. So I think I've minted the OG the CLI. So let me click on deploy now. So guys, I've been trying to proceed with this link because I've been charged after I approved the transaction, and I've been charged. But to deploy now, the thing has just been loading. So I tried the main link, and this is it. So in case this link is what you are using, this is Layeredge. I'll click on deploy from this link, and you can see other projects too. That pipe network, a DPIN project. Okay, number of nodes. I think I've paid for this, or did they refund it? Coupon discount 25 cents. Enter referral code and click on buy node. Click here to view the installation step. Let me first of all click here to view the installation step and see. Setting up. Okay, setting up the. There's the one for Layeredge. We have different projects on this. I think this is it. Okay, this is Nessus. Setting up an hyperspace. Wow. Privacy. The one we did earlier. I think this is just for different step. I'm just trying to confirm if you are not missing on anything. Okay, so guys, if this meets tier payment you are using to make the payment for the node, for this, if you are using this link to access this CLI, in case this verify link is not working, you can see it just keep loading, and they've deducted my $4 already, because for my hand now, I think I will have to wait for this link to hold so that I can just deploy from here straight up. I've been deducted. I saw that they've deducted my base Ethereum. But if you want to do it straight up without coming through this verifies OG link, I'll drop this mid-tier link in the description box of this video, so you can proceed to pay for the CLI node here directly by when you click on buy node, and you are going to be seeing the next page. I think this particular site is working fine. I should have just used this straight up. I don't understand why I have to go through that verify something. So if this link is what you are using, you'll be able to complete your payments. You have to choose your payment method. By default, you'll be seeing the payment option on Solana and USDC. There is a drop down arrow where you have to select. This is it. So you are seeing Solana mainnet and you are seeing USDC. So you click on this Solana mainnet and select base. Then you click on this USDC as well and select ETH. Then you click on connect wallet to pay. So I'll just connect my MetaMask wallet and proceed. But because I've been deducted from the previous link, I'll just allow that open so that I can so that they can see that I have the NFT already. So here I have to you switch network if you are not on base Ethereum. If I should switch network now, let me just see if they will want to deduct me. So the network has been switched. They still want me to pay the $4 something, but I have paid here already. I have paid here already. Here they are charging $4.90 something 74 cents, but here I only paid I think $3.90 70 something cents, yeah, using this verifies.network link. But the thing has refused to load. I think this is a network issue. I'll just try later so that I can deploy and get the CI key. Is that key, after this page loads, I'll be able to get the public key, then come to Layeredge, yeah, and click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign and enter the key, this CLI, and you click on link wallet. So that's how it works. At the end of this verification, at the end of this payment, if I'm supposed to proceed with this to pay another something, to make another payment, then that means I'll be charged for the second time and I will receive the NFT. I already have the NFT in my wallet. But I show you guys now, I have the NFT in my wallet. So it's just best for me to proceed with the, what's it called? This is the NFT, Layeredge, as you can see, new. This is the NFT. And this is the OG pass. So because I have the OG pass here, I was able to, I think they reduced it by $1, something like that. So this is the NFT here. So for my hand, I'll wait till this link load so that I can get the key and come back to Layeredge and paste it. That's just it. But if you want to proceed straight up without having these issues of waiting, just make use of this link. I'll drop the two links in the description box of this video. Proceed to use this link and make your payments. Then at the end of the payment, you get the key. Then go back to the Layeredge mining and enter the key, and that's all. So guys, this is the update about the Layeredge CLI node, CLI node. Make sure you complete it and also take note of this part. You see, stop your node periodically to lock in your points for a global leaderboard. Your points are taken from the last stop. So take a quick break to make them count. You see, the points have started running automatically. But for them to count these points, if I click on stop node now, I want them to stop so that they can accumulate these points that I have currently mined. Then I can proceed back to start the node again, just to make sure the points is being added to because of the leaderboard something according to what they wrote here. So take notes, guys. You have to stop node to get that claim. So guys, this is the update about the Layeredge CLI. Make use of any of the link. If you have an OG, make use of the link. If you don't have, just leave it, and that's all. And proceed to the other link. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.